You're putting in an offer of either a condo or a condo townhome, and you want to put things in your offer that help protect you besides, your conditions, either it's financing or a condition of status certificate. What else can you put in your offer to protect you? That's what this video of 2 yeses and 1 no is all about. So the first yes is you're going to want to do is put in some sort of guarantee or some wordage asking the unit holder if they've ever had KITEC plumbing or if it's been removed. KITEC plumbing was introduced in the early around 2000s, and it's known to have a lot of defects. A lot of unit holders are forced to replace them. There's been a lot of lawsuits. You don't want these things in your home. So either if it's been replaced, you want to have proof that it's done by a reputable plumber, or if it wasn't replaced, you want to know that you can take that off the price and do it yourself. The second yes is you want to ask if they've done any renovations, if everything is done by the approval of the condo board. So whether removing walls, changing floors, there's all these regulations. If the unit holder did renovations and didn't follow along, you could actually end up paying more money for fines because they didn't follow the rules and regulations or didn't get a condo approval. So you want to make sure that. And the no part of this is, no, don't assume that everything is above board. Ask, put it in your offer. Even if you don't see KITEC plumbing, put it in there anyway. It's there to protect you.